photo pose. So I see coral reefs, I see beaches, also lush green of several, they are not mountains but hills. It is very natural, and Simeulue is well known for its natural beauty. For surfer, it's a paradise, and I think also for another beauty of Simeulue, it is a big opportunity for Simeulue to develop tourism, base economy, and that's why I think Simeulue students must have a competency for international standard, because many tourists come here, so the food standard must be international, and also our hospitality also must be international based. I think Simeulue is very full of potential, so we have to prepare ourselves to take the opportunity and make it as our advantage.
That was a very quite amazing motivational speech from Bapak Kepala Dinas Pendidikan Aceh, and I hope you will enjoy your day while you are visiting Simeulue. And is this your first time coming here to Simeulue?
No, I think it's 4 or 3 times.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.